Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to speed up Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance using the best settings in 2025. First up, you just need to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. On left side, select Startup tab and you just need to disable unnecessary startup programs guys just by right click and select Disable option. After that, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to uninstall the unwanted apps. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. You just need to remove the apps you don't use. Click on the three dot icon next to the app and select uninstall option. After getting this done, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust power plan. To do this, go to search menu and type choose a power plan option and click on open it. You just need to set this power plan to high performance. In my case, I don't have that. You just need to select a high performance in this show additional plans. After that, just to close stuff here. For the step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to advanced tab under performance, select settings. Set this to adjust for best performance and check mark the smooth edges of the screen fonts and select apply and OK for changes. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open it. Make sure you turn on this storage sense option and select temporary files and check all the boxes listed over here and select the remove files option and select continue. After getting this done, just to close tab here. The sixth step, you just need to update Windows. Go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. If you have any pending updates, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. And after that, you just need to download and install this driver booster application. After getting installed done, this is totally free application guys. Select the scan option and this will scan for all required updates for your system. In my case, I already did all the updates. In your case, you have update all option to update all your drivers. After getting update done, just to close tab here and restart your PC. And after restarting, your PC will get faster. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.